Hi,
How are you, Ayumi?
I'm good, Eva. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
Long time no see.
What are you doing here?
Eva, I'm studying in the library. What about you?
I just got a new job in the city, so I'm looking for inspiration for work clothes. Check out this shirt. What do you think?
I love blue. I have the Shamsa. You always have great taste.
Hi Eva, hi Amy, what's going on?
Hi.
Rian, hi. Ayuni and I were just getting up. I just got a new job in the city.
Congratulations Eva, what kind of job is it?
I'm working in marketing at a big firm.
What a coincidence. We have the Shamsa.
Yeah, it's a small world. I love that shit too. We shall catch up again over coffee soon.
Sound great. I'll give you both my number.
Me too. See you later.
See you later.